kababayan, mga kaigsuunan na akong Cebuano, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, mayong adlaw, kaninyong tanan, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Una po ang aking pagpapasalamat sa ating lokal na pamahalaan dito sa syudad ng Lapu-Lapu na pinangungunahan ni Mayor Ahon Chan at ni Congresswoman Cindy Chan sa kanilang suporta sa National Learning Convergence ng Department of Education. Marami po kaming dinala ng mga iba't ibang aktibidad ng Department of Education dito sa island of Cebu. Una na po kahapon binuksan namin ang National Schools Press Conference at ang National Festival of Talents. Ngayong araw naman ang National Learning Convergence, mamayang hapon ang Palarong Pambansa. Bukas naman ang opening program ng Learning Camp at ang Solidarity Meeting ng Learners' Rights and Protection Office. At sa susunod na linggo, pabalik kami para naman sa programa ng Brigada Eskwela at pagtatapos ng Palarong Pambansa. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa Lapu-Lapu City at sa lahat ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Isla ng Cebu sa kanilang tulong, suporta at pagtitiwala sa Department of Education. On behalf of the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education, I am thrilled to welcome you to the Learners Convergence Philippines 2024. We are here today to celebrate the most important part of our education system, our dear learners. At our first Learners Convergence Philippines last year in Marikina, you voiced out your hopes, dreams, and recommendations in the Matatag agenda. Today, I am excited to share how we, the entire DepEd family, have responded to your inputs. To improve education quality, we launched the Matatag curriculum and implemented Catch-up Fridays to help close learning gaps arising from the COVID-19 pandemic. By removing administrative tasks, we have allowed teachers to focus on their main and only task, to teach. We are also returning to the original school calendar to ensure your safety during the hot summer months. In terms of health, we established the first mental health and wellness unit, trained over 10,000 personnel in psychological first aid, and established DepEd's first mental health support network. These efforts have helped save over 900 lives through suicide prevention, and counseling. With a substantial budget of 200 million pesos for mental health, we are integrating mental health services in schools and setting up specialized teams in every region. We also leveraged the power of technology by co-creating the Lusog Isip Kabataan Education. This is an online platform where all vital videos, referral hotlines, and learning materials for your mental well-being can now be accessed anytime, anywhere. To combat substance abuse and substance dependence, we also established over 2,700 chapters of Barkada Contra Droga, soon to evolve into Barkada Contra Bisyo, engaging over 450,000 learner participants in our efforts. We continue to stand firm in protecting you from the dangers of smoking, vaping, alcohol dependence, and illicit drugs. Should you share the same advocacy and there is no barkada yet in your area, feel free to establish a chapter within your school. We also invested heavily in child and adolescent sexual and reproductive health, securing 100 million pesos for teen centers, which will become learner wellness centers and expanded programs for teen pregnancy and HIV prevention. Through initiatives of alternative delivery modes and comprehensive sexuality education, we have worked to reduce teenage pregnancy dropouts by 86%. Furthermore, the I Choose online platform now offers crucial resources for CSE and SOGI. In nutrition, we improved DepEd's school-based feeding program, providing meals for over 2 million learners for an entire academic year, a landmark expansion and another victory for our learners. We are also rolling out universal feeding for kindergarten learners in select public schools. Initiatives like the Gulayan sa Paaralan and farm schools ensure access to fresh, nutritious, food, enhancing your learning potential. Additionally, our Wash in Schools or WINS program now ensures that 98.6% of schools have safe drinking water. Ensuring your well-being has been and always will be a top priority, and addressing any threats to this promptly and efficiently is crucial. The Learners' Rights and Protection Office has been actively working to address child abuse cases such as bullying, verbal abuse, and sexual harassment, among others. Ever since it started in 2022, the Learners Telesafe Contact Center hotline has addressed almost 3,000 concerns and calls for action. We have introduced improved training programs to enhance the functionality of our school's Child Protection Committee, where our learner leaders are members. These programs aim to ensure that your rights and protection are safeguarded and upheld. We continue to champion sports development through various projects such as the pilot of the school sports club program in 45 pilot schools and soon in every public school nationwide. We have also delivered over 1.6 million copies of the first DepEd Sports Manual to all schools division offices and upskilled over 1,000 sports trainers. Furthermore, we also celebrated the triumphs of our learner athletes from the recently concluded ASEAN Schools Games, who brought home 30 medals for the Philippines. In order to better support you in your journey towards becoming responsible and effective leaders, we have made significant improvements to the Learner Government Program. Now, on its second year, we have conducted the Learners Convergence Philippines with over 2,000 learner leaders from 218 SDOs and the National Youth for Environment in Schools Organization Camp. We have also enhanced career guidance programs, connecting over 5,000 learners to career opportunities, scholarships, and entrepreneurial venues through the National Career Expo, ensuring that we will be job-ready, competent, and productive members of society in the future. As we move forward, it is crucial that we place all of you at the center of our education reform initiative. Your role in this endeavor is not just important